The boat tail design gives the Sako Super Hammerhead high ballistic efficiency and a flatter trajectory for long-range hunting. The crimping groove prevents bullet movement under recoil. And the semi-Spitzer nose profile withstands recoil impact in the magazine without deforming. The high-quality lead core and copper jacket of the Sako Super Hammerhead are chemically bonded together. The tapered jacket controls expansion throughout a wide range of velocities. Excellent mushrooming of the Sako Super Hammerhead on impact creates a powerful shock effect. And the bonded core construction produces high weight retention, in turn producing good penetration. The heavy jacketed, strong and non-fragmenting structure ensures controlled expansion. More important than the initial bullet diameter is the expanded bullet diameter. A bullet that does not expand generally imparts little shock to an animal's system and disrupts little tissue. Bullet construction is very important to killing power, both for rapid expansion and for the penetration required to reach the vitals of large animals. The Sako Super Hammerhead expands quickly, destroying vital organs and causing massive hydraulic shock, creating maximum internal damage and significant loss of blood.